What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your steering wheel dynamics in the Skoda Kodiaq. This is super easy to do. So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and look on the top left of your infotainment system. You will see some icons. You want to look at this one right here, third one from the left. Click on that. It's going to take you into your steering angles, and so you can see this is on the dynamics as well, so you can choose. If I turn my steering, you can see that it's actually moving as well. And so you can actually, if you want to, let's say, position your wheels for a certain angle, you can go ahead and use this to basically do it so that you know exactly how it is set, right? And of course you have display there right there, so you can always go ahead and look at that.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
That's pretty much how you have it. So this is off-road display, and this is basically the dynamics, right? So that's it, guys.